Hello friends, welcome back to Do It New YouTube channels. Today we do the practical in ArcGIS Pro. We just look the experiment in the measure, how the measure the area, how the measure the distance. So just you can see here the Landsat data, and so we want to finding the measurement of this area. This is a crop cultivated area. So how we do the measuring by using ArcGIS Pro? Basically we do the practically in these sessions. I show you the how to do it. So I show you exactly how to do the measurement of our area. So basically you can see here the menu options. In between having the map menu, go inside and you can look here. This is a measurement tab. Just click on that measurement tab. In between having the measure distance, measuring area, and measure the feature. So we just first start here measuring the area. So this is our measurement area. Just zoom out and just by using your mouse click and click by click you can select your measurement area. Double click to stop this. You can look here. This is a area of square yard in the segment of 360 356 feet. Parameter all details are showing here. You can also measuring here in yard. So we want to measure in feet. So select the feet. You can see here the square feet. Something on the you can calculate. So like this we measure the area. So now we measure the distance. Suppose we want to measure this structure. Next point we see the measuring distance. So just select on that. Here I show you that how to measure the distance. So this is a constructed area. This is a, for example, our study point. So we want to measure the straight and also by route. Just click on here and go to the point. So you can see here, double click, stop it. You can see here the segmentation length of feet 279 feet, paths length, all these parametering can show here. So this is a distance of 279 feet. By route we can also find in here. Just click on here. This is the route and go here, come like here. So you can see by route of 4078 feet, more than 1 kilometers. So like this we measuring this distance. Now next point is we cover the measure the features. Just click on that. By measuring features, these points we just using by that times we are using the vector data. So now I show you the how many times we measuring options we have available. Just click on here. Distance unit for the calculating miles, feet, US feet, yard, kilometer and meter. Area unit, square miles, square feet, square feet, US square feet, square yard, square kilometer, square meters, area, and all this. And another option is the modes. So what types of modes you want to choose? You can choose as your practice, like this. So thank you guys. This practical session is over. So do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channels. We call it Do It New.